Hi everyone, welcome to TM Family Cooking. Today we'll make a traditional Korean style of food called Jorim. There is nothing exactly like this in Western cooking. It is a method of cooking vegetables, meat, fish, seafood or tofu in seasoned broth until much of the liquid is taken up by the ingredient. It is kind of like a stew, but I think it is something in between soup and stew. There are many types of jorim. Some of the one you might see in Korean restaurant, including tofu jorim, 두부 jorim, or tofu jorim, 감자 jorim, or potato jorim, and 장조림 or soy sauce beef jorim. Today I will show you how to cook 고등어 무 jorim or mackerel and radish jorim. Let's look at the ingredients. Here they are. I have here 2 mackerel, radish, onion, and then spicy pepper, and then red pepper, small tiny ginger, green onion, and soy paste, we call doenjang. And then here is spicy pepper powder, soy sauce, minced garlic, and sugar, black pepper. That's it. Now let's prepare our mackerel. First, cut off all the fins. Then cut open the belly and remove the innards. Wash it out well. Then cut into about 2-inch sections. Next, soak in cool tea for 20 minutes. The tea is the secret to take away that fish smell. You can also soak in rice water after washing, or little drinking alcohol in water, or squeeze on lemon juice on the fish. Now let's cut the radish into 1/8-inch slices. Cut the onion. Leave a few big layers to use in the broth and chop the rest into blocks. Cut the jalapeno and red spice pepper. This is optional. You can skip it. Remember to take out the seeds. Chop the ginger fine. Cut the giant green onion into slices. Let's make the sauce. Use 3 tablespoons of spice pepper powder, and soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and ground black pepper. Then add a little water and mix. That's it. Now let's start cooking. Layer in the radish and the onion layers for flavor. We will remove them later. Add the soy paste 3 cups of water. Now let's boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the layers, onion layers, and add the green onions, fish, and peppers. Now top it off with the sauce and cook for another 15 minutes. Look at the beautiful colors and it smells so good. Look at here, our jorim. Ooh, look at how it red. Looks like very hot. Let's try it. Ooh, I'm going to try radish first. Radish is very soft, and then pick up the very nice all the spice. Wow, let's make this fish doesn't any that fishy smell. It's very pick up the nice sauce, spice flavor. Usually Korean have with these types of dish with rice, and I will going to try some rice in this fish. Wow. It is a little bit hot. If you don't like a hot spice, hot flavor, probably you are going to make like a soy sauce style with the soy sauce, like a boiled. We have that types of style also, so I will post that types of style. Maybe another bit I will post there, and then you can also make a non-spicy flavor for this fish. But this is a really good, amazing flavor. You can try it out. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time. 안녕.